Welcome to our October series, Take the Scary Out of Cooking Seafood.
Because seafood doesn't have to be frightful, even if it's Friday the 13th.
Today we're making lemon herb tuna steak. Sounds scary? Tastes amazing.
And bonus, this one's no cauldron required, just a bowl and a grill pan.
So we're starting with a simple marinade: parsley, rosemary, olive oil, lemon zest, salt, pepper, and some lemon juice.
Fun fact, tuna is high in protein and omega-3s, which are great for brain and heart health. No potions needed. Put the marinated tuna in the fridge for at least 3 hours.
Sear them on a hot grill pan, 3 to 4 minutes per side. You want a nice crust while keeping the center juicy.
Here's something cool. Tuna cooks super fast, so you can go from prep to plate faster than a vampire avoids garlic.
Final touch, a squeeze of lemon juice right before serving. Bright, zesty, and just the right thing to ward off the ghosts or boring dinners past.
And that's a wrap on our steak spell. No tricks, just a tuna treat.
See? Nothing to fear in this fishy feast.
Join us for more seafood spells in our next Take the Scary Out of Cooking Seafood episode. Happy cooking
and happy October.